Kolkata, you've been visiting many a times. It's like your second home. Please say a few words.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? अगर जवाब नहीं देंगे तो मज़ा नहीं आएगा। हाउ आर यू गाइस डूइंग? गुड गुड। इट्स अ प्लेजर बीइंग हियर इन कोलकाता। I've had great memories of this particular city. Not many people know, but I have lived in Kolkata for about 2.5 years. My father was in the army. So there's an area called Fort Williams. So I've had the opportunity of staying there for about 2.5 years. And my sister is also married to a gentleman who stays in Kolkata, a place called Hungerford Street, right next to Park Street. So there's a lot that I feel that I belong to this particular city. Or it's wonderful to see so many people. अक्सर ये देखा जाता है कि टेलीविज़न में या फिल्म में एक्टर्स, अभिनेता या जो भी लोग आते हैं 4-5 साल 6 साल अपना एक जगह बना के चले जाते हैं. I've been lucky, I've been fortunate that I still have people who love me, who lionize me, who look up to me. And thank you for the lovely introduction, Ankit. I think Ankit is an amazing anchor. जैसे कि आपको एंटरटेन इतने समय से कर रहे हैं, आज उनका दिन है. सो आई बीन ट्राइंग टू गेट अ फ्यू टिप्स फ्रॉम यू टू डू थिंग्स ऑन. अपने बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं कहूँगा, सिर्फ इतना ही कि दिलों में रहता हूँ, सीने की धड़कनें थमा देता हूँ. दिलों में रहता हूँ, सीने की धड़कनें थमा देता हूँ. मैं इश्क हूँ, वजूद की धज्जियाँ उड़ा देता हूँ. It's such an honor to be here, and apart from the fact that we have such amazing personalities on stage, and it's an honor to be on stage with all these eminent personalities. I want to thank Saurav Haryanvi. He is responsible for getting me here today for this particular show. बहुत सारे लोगों से हमें लड़ना पड़ा था इस शो में आने के लिए. कल भी हमारा एक शो है. So I'm going to be there tomorrow, but definitely it's a pleasure being here, and I'm sure the contestants have been brilliant. I think last 10 minutes मैंने देखे हैं. All the contestants, best of luck to all of you. The Miss category, the Mr. or the Mrs. or the Kids category. I wish all of you the very best of luck, and बस मेहनत करते रहिएगा ईमानदारी से, पूरी शिद्दत से, and it takes a little bit of time. But if you keep working hard, you definitely are going to taste success in every form. So thank you once again, Saurav. Thank you, Ankit, for such a wonderful introduction. And इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं बोलूँगा. बाकी I think I'll let the anchors do their job. Okay. That's not my job today.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, you were just talking about Kolkata, and right now we are in the city of Kolkata. So let's talk in Bengali.
Okay. আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
Oh, lovely! एक जोरदार ताली हो जाए सर.
I think that's the only thing I learned, because when I was in Kolkata, when my first girlfriend was a Bengali, तो उसने 2 चीजें मुझे सिखाई थी. एक ये बोलना, और दूसरा बंगाली में सबसे गंदी गाली जो होती है वो देना. So वो गाली मैं दे नहीं सकता हूँ. I can only say I love you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. So please. Now also we have this beautiful personality here. Ma'am, please say a few words to your audience.
Namaskar, good evening everybody. First of all, I'd like to thank Rajesh, who is a brilliant choreographer and a brilliant human being. And I'd also like to thank Saurav Haryanvi and High Hopes Private Limited. The name itself is self-explanatory. And when I looked at all the contestants here, I was very moved. We are always used to seeing very tall, good-looking, confident people on the ramp. But what Saurav has done and what Rajesh has attempted to do has really touched me as a choreographer and as a witness. I felt very humbled, and I felt that the encouragement that you all as parents have given to your children and your wives all the hot-looking wives who were on the ramp is commendable. And अगर आप ऊपर आकाश में देखेंगे तो आज एक भी तारा नहीं है, क्योंकि सारे तारे आज जमीन पे हैं. And each and every star that came on stage, from the youngsters to the school from Shambazar, I was so touched because Rajesh and Saurabh have attempted to bring out the star in every human being. And it's a wonderful program, and congratulations to the parents who've come to encourage their family members here. Thank you very much for having me on this forum. Thank you. Enjoy.
Can we have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? With this note, it's our privilege to felicitate both of these dignitaries this evening. Can we please, we request you to please take the honor to felicitate this gentleman. And I want you all to clap for this gentleman, everybody.
Please.
All right, when Talwar sir, you are here and you are going to talk about someone who is very special, please.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, कभी आपने सोचा है कि पानी के ऊपर कुछ लिखा जा सके? ये नामुमकिन है. कभी आपने सोचा है कि सूरज को चिराग दिखाया जा सके? ये नामुमकिन है. मैं कुछ वैसा ही करने जा रहा हूं. इस ऐसी शख्सियत को आपके सामने लाने जा रहा हूं जिन्होंने अपनी सारी जिंदगी अपने प्रोफेशन को दी है, अपनी मेहनत के साथ, अपने जुनून के साथ. In our colorful world of photography, he stands as a pillar to the stature of photography in the country. He was born in 1949. His inclination towards photography started early at a tender age of 6. This turned into the engagement during his schooling at St. Xavier's, Kolkata, batch of 1996. अगर मैं तारीफ करने चलूं तो सुबह से शाम से सुबह हो जाएगी. He is a true photographer at heart. Built up his legacy by working with most major clients and industries in India: hotel, cars, jewelry, food, fashion, interiors, architecture, art, reproduction for art galleries. Sir, while holding the chair of the head of the photography faculty at the Birla Institute of Futuristic Studies, Kolkata, from 1998 to 2008, he was also the senior staff photographer with Anand Bazar Patrika, 1985 to 2010, chairman of Kolkata Imaging Professional Association, chairman of Advertising and Industrial Photographer Association of India. He has been awarded from the Hall of Fame Award from Advertising Club of Calcutta. मैं थक गया हूं, अब और नहीं कह सकता. He is the magician, the genius, Mr. Vivek Das. I would request him to come on the stage. Mr. Vivek Das. The jury tonight has felicitating him with the Lifetime Achievement Award in Photography. Please, a standing ovation for Mr. Vivek Das. I feel proud to announce his name tonight as I have started my career with him.
Sir, and Shikha ma'am, please would like to give him the Lifetime Achievement Award by you. Award, please. Big round of applause, please, everyone. Thank you so much.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want Rajesh sir to do this honor. I request him to please felicitate Shikha ma'am right in front of us, and let us all witness the glamour, the beauty, and the expertise on stage. Ma'am, please take a step forward and please accept on our behalf.
She has been my mentor, my choreographer, and I remember when we make mistakes, especially when I made one mistake in Park Hotel during a choreography, she pushed me into the pool, into the swimming pool as a punishment. So that was it. So she was very strict, a military choreographer she was. All the basic, what I should say, the ethics of choreography I've learned from Shikha Dev, ma'am Shikha Dev. Thank you so much, ma'am, for having graced the occasion.
Okay, I'm requesting sort of to do the felicitation part to Arun sir. A big round of clap, please.
Also, we would like Aman sir to make her day today. Please felicitate her with this token of love and appreciation which she has been doing in the fashion industry. She's fond of you. She said, Aman sir ko dekh ke main behosh na ho jaऊं. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, everybody. Thank you, all the dignitaries and guests. I request you all to please take a seat there. सिंहासन में बैठ जाओ और enjoy करें आज के शाम आप सभी. Thank you so much, all of you. Please, thank you.
Okay, requesting Ankit to be present on the stage for your felicitation, and I'm requesting Rajesh sir to come on the stage for the felicitation of Ankit. It's a very special moment. एक जोरदार तालियां हो जाए.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are moving on to the most crucial moment of this evening. And it's time for all of us to be seated on the edge of the seats with your eyes wide open on stage to see what is going to happen. Please witness. Now we are going to present the most important sequence here. We are going to present the subtitled winners now.
তাড়াতাড়ি উঠিয়ে দিয়েছো নাকি কেন দাঁড়াতে বলো ওকে দাঁড়াতে বলো বাচ্চাটাকে হ্যাঁ একবার হয় না দেখে দেখেছি বড় ক্যামেরা তো জুম মতো অসুবিধা আছে আরে বলছি ছবি তুলেছে বাচ্চা ওকে বলো তুলে দেবে আমি পাঠিয়েছি
Also, with this note, it's our honor to thank all our esteemed sponsors. Because of them, we are able to make this evening even more graceful and beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, to all the dignitaries, to all the guests and the jury members who are present this evening, we are really happy that they have taken their valuable time from their schedule and they are present here, and they have also graced this evening with their amazing presence. We are happy to have you all as a family this evening. Now we are at backstage. You must be thinking what is happening. You all should know that now, because it's always a tensed moment in the backstage. Who is going to be the winner? Who to be given the subtitle in the category of subtitle? So these are the tension which goes in the background. So all right, with special demand from the backstage, this is what Rajesh sir has said कि अभी आप सभी के लिए एक special designer round चलाया जाएगा because of Rajesh Khan sir said कि अभी चलाना जरूरी है because after that we are moving on to the subtitle category winner. So I am just declaring you all what is going to happen now. इसके बाद आप सभी बिल्कुल बैठिए. Today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. यार पार्टी करो आज. कल Sunday है. पूरा टाइम फैमिली के साथ बिताना. But now you all need to be here and be glued to the seats. And now you all should know who's the winner, who takes the crown, who is taking away the title of Stars Night 2021. And now we are going to have the designer round sequence for you all. Everybody be seated, have a look. Well, when Stars Night was ideated and thought about, the most important emphasis was given to keep it very simple, subtle, and honest. That is the honesty which Saurav Haryanvi, High Hopes, and the entire team of Stars Night is taking forward. They always carry love and happiness in their sleeves, reason why we're able to make this evening a grand success. Even now, I am declaring also the next time, the next season is going to be even grander, louder, and better. show is choreographed by none other than Saurav Haryanvi. We would also like to thank, they're going to walk up now once again. We have the designer, Vinita Arya, with her brand Vivit. The jewelry is by Uzma Firoz, Style Addict. Please welcome them on stage, and we have the show choreographer and the showstopper, Saurav Haryanvi, on stage. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Can we have a round of applause? Everybody in the house, everyone, come on. That's how Vinita Arya and Uzma Firoz with their brand Vivit and Style Addict, beautifully presented, so graceful and amazing fabric. Thank you so much, all of you, beautiful ladies. For you all, now it's the moment for all of us to declare the subtitle winners. We would like to request all the Mr. category participants to please proceed backstage. For the subtitle category, all the Mr. participants are requested to please proceed at the backstage. All the other participants are requested to be ready. We are going to begin with the subtitle category winners. So all the participants are requested to be ready to take the awards. All of you be ready at the backstage. We request the participants to please come back on backstage and please. All the participants, please come on stage, back on stage. I got the answer in my hand. They are going to take away the crown, the title of the subtitle of this evening. इन्हें subtitle से नवाजा जाएगा. पूरी picture अभी बाकी है, इसके बाद finale है. You all have to be there with us. In the meanwhile, all the boys are on stage looking absolutely dashing. Now we are going to declare the subtitle winners. Please accept. It's very special to your career. All right. Stars Night Fashion Icon 2021 goes to Aditya, tag number 03. Please come forward. Aditya. Haryanvi on stage. We request Mr. Saurav Haryanvi on stage. Can we please request Rajesh sir on stage? We request Rajesh sir on stage. So all the boys, you're getting this subcategory, the subtitle category winners हुआ इसके बाद अभी पूरी picture बाकी है तो धैर्य रखें. So like I announced, the Stars Night Fashion Icon 2021 goes to Aditya, tag number 03. Please come forward. Accept it. Thank you. Stars Night, please take your position there. Stars Night, Mr. Physique 2021 goes to Aditya 03. Once again, Aditya, congratulations. With this note,